Gla Mercedes. Nice wee car, nice inside, all leather, nice and smooth, auto, stick shift up my dash like the Americans. It's reported for a squeaking alternator belt. So, I'm going to replace it, but it sounds okay for now. It's not to say it doesn't need done, but at the minute it sounds okay. On this car, actually, I should put the window down actually, just in case. You never know, guys. You never know. It's the time you don't leave it down. It's the time the car decides to lock itself. So let's see what the mileage is on this car. It is only 18,733. It's not to say that it doesn't need the belt. We had a Nissan Juke here the other day that a hell of a squeak off it, and you know, I thought it would have been more than just the belt, but it was just the belt. So you can check that out on YouTube, guys, if you want to see that. Alright, and it's the first time I've seen a Mercedes. This is the Merc key. This is the key. You know, they won't change it. We've had this key for a long time now, that style of key, but well, they've put the start stop button on it now, so but they're not getting rid of those keys. No chance, guys. So we'll get the belt off. Conti Tech belt, Conti V belt. Who made that one? Long time ago. So we'll get that off and we'll get a looks and sees what's going on. Yeah, so you can see the tensioner down here. So you can see it with that kind of splined nut on it for taking the tension off. So yeah, good stuff. Righty-ho. We'll get that all sorted over then. So, Merc GLA, 2.2 diesel. See, we've got a nice Gates belt for it. Gates Micro V, and that's the one that was on it. I don't really see anything wrong with it, to be honest. Not really see anything wrong with it, and spin all the pulleys and they all seem kind of free, nothing untoward. We did take this pipe just out its mounting point, just so we can get into the aircon one, so we can get our hand down there and kind of spin that aircon pump down there. I don't hear anything. Spin the alternator. So that one's the alternator, and it doesn't feel like there's any play in it. Same with the aircon pump. Or whatever this pump is down here. That one looks at the aircon pump. Maybe it's power steering. What that pump is for? What is that one down there? Ah, it's a water pump. Right, okay. That's interesting. A water pump. I wonder if that's an electric thermostat on the back of it. Aye, so that could be for emissions reasons, to be honest. That could be for basically bring the coolant temperature up quicker, get the car running hotter quicker. I don't see anything in the pulleys, don't see any contaminants, don't see any bad bits. They're all spinning freely. Same with the tensioner one. Tensioner one, obviously I can get my hand in and feel it. Same with that other little idler. So I'm not really sure what's causing the squeak. It may need to come back if the belt doesn't fix it. I think once it gets hot is when it's doing it. So I'll put a new belt on, see how we go. I think. Okie doke, lovely stuff, lovely stuff. There we go. One new Poly V belt. Nice new Gates one. Interesting stuff. That seems on, okay. Just let it clip back in. There we go, that's that back on. Yeah, so there's the original belt fit. Keep that just in case. So a GLA There we go. That's that. So that's all taken care of. Give that a little wiggle. Sounds okay. Yeah, sounds okay. Probably electric power steering this one, to be honest. I don't think I've seen a power steering pump. We have aircon, a water pump, alternator, a couple of idlers. So aye, must be done off the, must have an electric steering pump. So aye, all good in the hood. All good in the hood. So you can see we're doing this Renault traffic. Almost there with that one. Wee Bipper, Land Rover, A4. Quality Jap cars. Right, oh, wee bit of screeny wash. Right. I got a screen wash on topped up on that. Yeah. Wee bit of screen wash, check the oil. Almost there. A couple of faults on it. One engine control module, so it'll be interesting to see what that is. Come on, Mercedes. 93%. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't watch it. I'll take longer. Some analyses. Right, come on. We've got one more system left. One more. One more. Come on. Come on, there we go, sorted. Right, let's see what this says. Right, the charge movement flap cylinder 1 bank fault is faulty. The signal amplitude is below the minimum amplitude. Right, okie doke, stored. So, we'll save that. There's no lights on the car. Save that. Registration. Registration. Right, so, oh, no, sending file, there's all these codes. Come on, machine, there we go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Right, so let's take that fault out. Engine management, no faults now. So, is it still going through them? Yeah, it's still going through them. Control module for fuel pump. It's not cleared that, whatever wrong with it. Command audio. That's just checking the radio there. Let's fire the radio on for us. And then, come on. So, now we'll go back to the belt. It's been running for a little while now. It's obviously been running throughout that diagnostic scan. It seems to be an untoward with it. Seems to be an untoward with it. Brakes are good. Tyres are good. Drove perfectly. Yeah, brakes look okay. Rear tyres need done. Rear tyres are getting a bit poor. That one's okay. Yeah, the brakes look okay there as well, so yeah, I wonder what's happened there then. It's interesting. About 50% one in the front maybe. I wouldn't be expecting the brake fluid to be down that much. Ah well, there you go. That's going to be a bit right. Right, so where are we? Power supplies to, these are saying that they're stored events, but it wouldn't clear them. Data received from the combustion engine control module was implausible. Again, it's saying it's a stored event. Right, well, we've got a copy of them all anyway. So that'll do it. That's all she wrote on that one, guys. So Mercedes me, what does that say? I don't know. Door open. Mercedes Me Connect Services Limited, see owner's manual. It's interesting, isn't it? Maybe because my machine's in it. Right, escapee. Unplug. Mercedes Me Connect. Never heard it.